Welcome back to Limited Edition Motorcars. Ladies and gentlemen, today I'm gonna be working on my 1989 Ford LTD Crown Victoria, and I have already done two-stage paint correction on this car, and let me tell you something, I will never ever do another paint correction on a vintage car because it was a pain in the ass. It took at least 2 weekends plus a couple of Fridays. And the issues were, well, number one is the sheer real estate. I mean, there's just so much of it. It just took a long time. And then the other problem is that, although you might think, well, this is like a boxy car, it's easy to do. No, it's not. Just, you have all this trim in here, all these moldings and all these freaking angles, and all of this is sharp. It's like knife sharp. And then I basically destroyed like 3 pads. Just going through it because it would catch and it would just go. And I mean, this car was not designed with like pedestrians in mind or anything like that. I mean, if you hit a pedestrian with this, you're gonna slice them up like pepperoni. But anyways, I did 2-stage. I was gonna do three stages. I have like an ultra fine compound, and I was like, there's no way. I am not doing that. I can't. But it looks pretty good for 33 years old. As you can see, it shines really good. I mean, it's not a perfect paint, you know, there's some staining in there. As you can see, it's 33 years old, so there's nothing you can do about that. But I think for an original paint from 1989, it looks pretty good. There's obviously some imperfections in the paint and whatnot. It's an old car. There's some paint chips in here. Kind of bunch of them. It looks like someone may have been working on the car with a belt buckle or something like that, or maybe something was dangling in the garage, so I touched it up a little bit. But I don't want to repaint anything in here because, again, it's original paint, and even if you repaint a panel, it is never going to match anything because 33-year-old paint and then brand new paint, it's all going to be mismatched. Still has original hand-painted pinstripe. So what I'm going to do today is I'm going to apply ceramic coating. I'm going to try to protect all my work. And hopefully whoever buys this car appreciates all the work that I've done to it. So, and then we have to go and do the mechanicals. So that's not. I mean, I did it in reverse. I took care of cosmetics first, and then mechanicals. So, let's get started. Well, ladies and gentlemen, I'm done. My camera, for some reason, crapped out in the middle of the whole thing and only recorded the beginning. And but I'm done. So it is all ceramic coated. I think it has achieved the maximum level of shine. I don't think I can squeeze anything else out of this 33-year-old paint job. I think that's it. That's all that she wrote. I mean, can you do more? Probably. You can probably wet sand this, but I measured the paint that it's pretty thin, so it's like a 3 microns. So it's, you know, typical cars are usually 4.5. So it's pretty thin, you know. And Ford paint jobs are usually, you know, garbage. So this is This is not bad. I mean, definitely, this car definitely sat inside of a garage because it would have never, ever lasted 33 years if it spent any time outside. So I'm gonna let it cure here for, you know, a few days. You know, let it bake in, and then we'll go and do some mechanical work. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Thanks for watching. Peace.